Good morning, 6th graders. Today, what we are going to do as one of your tasks while working from home today is we're going to create an ELA 6 folder, and in that folder we're going to create a digital notebook Google Doc. So, to create a folder, the first thing you need to do is go right up here to New. Once you hit New, it's at the very top. You have Folder right here at the very top. You'll click Folder, and you're going to name it ELA 6. Alright? Once you have named it, notice, look at all my different folders here. You're going to go in there, click on it, and you're going to go back up to New, hit Google Doc, and you're going to first name it at the top, ELA 6 Digital Notebook. Alright, so this digital notebook we're going to be using all year. I may have you do some writing assignments in here, some free writes. I'm going to give you some writing prompts, and it's just a way to get you typing and working on those typing skills and be writing. We're doing a lot of reading, but I also want to be mixing in the writing or typing, if you will, for when you're at home. So this is what we're going to do. So ELA 6 digital notebook, you have it up there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here. Notice my cursor's at kind of the top of the page. I'm going to double click, and now I'm in this thing called a header. You're going to put your first and last name. For those of you who didn't know my name, first name is Lisa. And then put your block. And this is something they do in college very often. Obviously not a block. You put 1, maybe do 1, 2. And to make it very official, that's what you would do for like college courses. Arts. And then you would put like the instructor's name. But I don't need all that. Instructor Nicolay. All I really need from you at this very top is just this. And you can put it in a fun font if you want to be very specific, if you wanted to do things exactly how they're, when you get into high school, how they want it. This is what font they wanted it. Okay, there you go. You have to really double click it to get in there. This is the boring font, but the font that they want everything in. To get in a good habit would be Times New Roman and 12. So if you want to get in a good habit right now, you can go up there, hit Times New Roman and 12. But I do need your first and last name and what block you're in. Alright? And then you'll go back down here to click. I will give you a prompt to write about today, and I'll just put it in there, what you're going to write about today. But I would always suggest dating it. So today, this is Sunday night and I'm at school. So I would put maybe Sunday, September 27th, and then I would date it. Alright, and then I would tab down. And I just want to notice my name is all capitalized, and Sunday's capitalized because it's the name of a day, and September is the name of the month, and it's also capitalized. So please capitalize your names. You are important. Your names are important. They need to have capital letters and other names of things. So you're going to be doing that today, and then I will give you your writing prompt for today. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks. Bye.